in order to prepare our body to be highly adaptable, because that's really what it is when stress comes at us, we want to be able to adapt. So 3 T's. Harmony, do you know the 3 T's? Totally put you on the spot. What are they? Toxins. Thoughts. Trauma.
Good thing you knew that.
That was good, yeah. I actually say I'm the opposite: trauma, toxins, and thoughts, but I'll give you 100 points for that. That's good. There's a lot of things like with chiropractic, it makes a whole lot of sense on the trauma side. We go out here and, we get in a car accident tomorrow when it's snowing. We know how car accidents go, right? And we know that we need a lot of work to get through that. It's a momentary thing that happens. It's a whole lot of force in a little bit of time that affects and changes your nerve system. I'm going to do a big picture thing here real quick. All of these are stress, okay? And it's how your body adapts to the stress. So when we have physical pressure on a nerve, that causes stress in the system. So if we have something like a brain and a spinal cord coming down and nerve roots going out to organs, cells, or tissues, one thing that's interesting is if the nerve gets pinched here, this whole line now becomes excitatory for a little while. So it gets excited and goes into a sympathetic or a fight or flight response. So the end organ, cell, or tissue downstream from that pinched nerve now functions as if we're being chased by a tiger in a stress response. So over time, that causes that tissue to wear down, to break down, to decay faster, to wear out faster, and then we get dysfunction in that tissue. Now, there's one spot in the whole nerve system called the upper cervical, the first bone in the neck, your atlas bone. When that one's off, this one's wild because this one controls the sympathetic and parasympathetic tone of the whole body. So when your atlas goes out of place, what happens is the entire system now is in a sympathetic overload. And it's not every situation, but anxiety disorders, a lot of time it can be remedied by adjusting the atlas and taking pressure off the brainstem so the whole body's tone settles down. And that's how trauma can affect it, is by sending everything into a sympathetic or a fight or flight overload.